The cable tie gun KS5 is a tool easily used by anyone with its inventive clamping handle. It is indispensable for construction professionals of all kinds. Time is money, and this professional tool will save you valued time. It is essential for all construction sites and professionals. The cable tie gun KS5 has a spool of 50 feet and corresponding locking clips, allowing you to create approximately 200 cable ties very quickly. The cable tie gun KS5 is affordable and easy to use. The cable tie gun KS5 can also be used without its spool. This is perfect for use in small spaces. The detachable spool can easily be placed in your pocket in order to work more efficiently in difficult, small places. The cable tie gun KS5 spool is available in two colors for your convenience: white for inside use and black for outside use. It is also resistant to UV rays and will last for years to come. With the cable tie gun KS5, you can easily install insulation cover to your heating or air conditioning pipes and tubes without the use of the old traditional adhesive tape, which may be affected by weather conditions. With its additional sturdy black and white plugs, you can tie cables, tubes, and pipes to drywall, cement blocks, concrete, wood, iron, and much more. The cable tie gun KS5 may also be used with green landscaping wire for your gardening site. With the cable tie gun KS5's functional handle, your cables, tubes, and pipes may now be strapped securely, easily, and quickly for all of your construction needs. With its spool of 50 feet and the cable tie gun KS5, there's no need to carry various sizes of traditional cable ties in your vehicle. Our system gives an ample amount of material, allowing you to create the perfect size cable ties without waste. The cable tie gun KS5 is extremely safe with its unique cutting system. Unlike traditional cable ties, you'll never have to worry about cutting yourself again. Professionals, stop wasting time and money. Try the cable tie gun KS5 now for all your construction needs. The cable tie gun KS5.